Introduction to machine learning. First, definition of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? It is a technique, it is a technology. Artificial intelligence is a technology which enables a machine, to simulate human behavior. What do you mean by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a technology which enables a machine to simulate human behavior. What do you mean by machine learning? It is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which allows a machine to automatically learn from past data without programming explicitly. What do you mean by machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which allows a machine to automatically learn from past data without programming explicitly. This is machine learning. Next question. Difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. What is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science? Difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. In artificial intelligence, it includes machine learning. Artificial intelligence is depends on machine learning, and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. And data science includes various data operations. In data science includes various data operation. This is our first point. Artificial Second point, artificial intelligence combines large amount of data. Artificial intelligence combines large amount of data through iterative processing and intelligent algorithm to help computers learn automatically. Second point, second point is important point. Artificial intelligence combines a large amount of data through iterative processing and intelligent algorithms to help computers learn automatically. What do you mean by machine learning? Second point of machine learning. Machine learning uses efficient programs that can use data without being explicitly told to do so. Machine learning uses efficient programs that can use data without being explicitly told to do so. Data science, second point, data science works by sourcing, cleaning, and processing data to extract meaning out of it for analytical purpose. Data science works by sourcing, cleaning, processing data to extract meaning out of it for analytical purposes. Third point, some of the popular tools that AI AI use, which popular tools? Scikit-learn, Keras. The popular tools that machine learning makes use of are IBM Watson Studio, Microsoft Azure, ML Studio. In data science, tools are Tableau, Apache, Spark, MATLAB. Next, Fourth point, it uses logic and decision tree. In machine learning, uses statistical models, and in data science deals with structured and unstructured data. Next examples are chatbots and voice assistants. In this machine learning, facial recognition, Spotify, and in data science, fraud detection and health analysis. Classification of machine learning. Types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforced learning. This is an important questions for exam. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and semi-supervised learning. The aim of supervised learning algorithm is to find a mapping function to map the input variable X with the output variable Y. It can be used for spam filtering, image classification. What is the aim of supervised learning? Is to find a mapping function to map the input variable X with the output variable Y. It can be used for spam filtering, image classification, etc. Next, next, next is criteria and difference between supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement machine learning. Difference between supervised learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement machine learning. Definition of supervised learning: learns by using labeled data. Unsupervised learning: trained using unlabeled data without any guidance. And reinforcement machine learning works on interacting with the environment. Second point, type of data: labeled data, unlabeled data in unsupervised, reinforcement machine learning, no predefined data. Types of problems: regression and classification, association and clustering, and reinforcement machine learning, exploitation or exploration. Next point, supervision: extra supervision in supervised, no supervision in unsupervised. Reinforcement learning, no supervision. Algorithm, linear logistic regression, K-means or C-means, and Q-learning. Aim, calculate outcomes, discover underlying patterns, learn a series of actions. Application, risk evaluation, forecast sales, recommendation system, anomaly detection, self-driving cars, gaming and healthcare. Explain supervised learning with example. Supervised learning is the types of machine learning in which machines are trained using well-labeled training data. On basis of that data, machines predict the output. Example, risk assessment, image classification, fraud detection, spam filtering, etc. How supervised learning works. This is a diagram of working of supervised learning. Label data: inputs are labels and inputs in the form of squares and images. This is a model training, train the data and give prediction about and test the data and give the output as square and triangles. Next point, working. Explain the working of. Suppose we have a data set of different types of shapes, which includes square, rectangle, etc. Now the first step is that we need to train the model for each shape. If the given shape has four sides and all the sides are equal, then it will be labeled as square. Now after training, we test our model using the test set, and the task of the model is to identify the shape. The machine is already trained on all types of shapes and it classifies the shape and predicts the output. Difference between machine learning and traditional programming. What is the difference between machine learning and traditional programming? Difference between machine learning and traditional programming. Input plus output is equal to program. It is an automated process. The algorithm automatically formulates the rules from the data. In traditional programming, input plus program is equal to output. It is a manual process. That is, programmer creates the program. Next point, in computer given a data and output to give the program, and in computer data and program give the output. This is a diagram of machine learning and traditional programming. Next, third point, take data and responses to create an algorithm. And in this, use statistical analysis to create an algorithm. Next point, submit data and answers and get the rules. In this, submit data and rules to get answers based on finding common patterns and based on algorithm can be continuously trained or algorithm remains constant. This is the diagram of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Data with labels, input, uh, then output mapping by using mapping. If any error is given to again supervised learning. In data without field labels input, unsupervised learning give the output in the form of classes. States and actions given to input as reinforcement learning. If error is detected and using critics, reinforcement original data is given again and give output static and action. Thank you.